Alam nyo, 10 years ago, all these political questions are asked of me. 10, 20 years ago, I have to admit that, my grandfather was mayor of Zamboanga. Uh, every time I come to Zamboanga, I have press conferences as president of the GSIS, Nakrikuta Sen. Si tayo na yun ng COVID, I give spam, I give corned beef, while the government is giving sardinas, shoot na dali corned beef. Nakrikuta pa kayong corned beef na dali. Yes, I am resigning. Whether I am running for public office or not is a decision I have to make by October 8th. Right? And all I can say, Mandy, is this. I am married to a very political family, De Luzon, the Yap family of Tarlac. Sabi ustedes, the Tarlac, the Bicol, the Ilocos, the Cebu, all the provinces that are sikat have more congressmen than their districts. Do you understand? It is very good that Zamboanga should not just have 2 congressmen. You've been talking all the time of a 3rd district, right? Everybody, kayo sa media. But you cannot do that because you cannot divide Zamboanga. Well, at least, not legally. But you can run under the party list system and have a 3rd congressman, and there's nothing wrong with that. Correct? See, if you have 2 congressmen and you make it 3, siguro yung 3 mas magaling. Ay, hindi pala mas magaling. Malalapitan din ninyo.
Natulas.
Tama? Natulas ba ako? Hindi naman siguro nakakaya kung tumakbo ako. Alam mo, kaya nila na hindi ko rin kaya.
Go.
Diba? Pero kung tatakbo ako, kailangan ko tulong ninyo. Kung hindi na ako tatakbo. Baka mamaya tatakbo ako, hindi nyo ako susuporta kayo. Ha? Kung ako matatakbo, susuportahan ko. Nilabolan niyo ako eh. So dati gusto ko set 49% tumakbo, kaya 49.5 pala. Kasi hindi pa kayo susuporta sa akin. Pag ako tatalo din sa baka, patay kayo sa akin. Yes na yes kayo dyan. Pero gusto mo ba? Sa tingin mo, mas magaling ako.
Go.
Mandy, sa tingin mo, mas magaling ako? Pag-aaral. Seriously. Yes, sir.
Philip Abuy.
Oy, Mr. Philip, my dear friend. Philip, don't ask me a crazy. Kasi Philip, barkada ko yan. Mr. Philip, what's your question?
Yes. Gusto ba dito yung plano to cover all Filipinos as much as possible? Make them pensioner? Sinootro si Uwi, that is quite an ambitious program. There are sectors, siguro ang mga naman income, probably they can submit to the requirement until 570 pesos per month. But there are those who are not really generating any income. But ironically, the government does not stop in its conditional cash transfer program, such as 4Ps. Presumably, generous those breaks, hindi included SSS. So how then can we push, say for instance, as the mga beneficiary del 4Ps program who are not members of SSS, how can we transform them into being a member or being members of SSS? Na aura siguro it might entail somebody in Congress to come up with a law. Say for instance, Ganang and SSS, GSIS mentionado party list, although it's quite an ambitious ambition. Pero
It's an ambitious ambition.
yes, pero to me, I think that is gearing towards that. So,
Philip, let me answer that question one by one. No?
yes.
Number one, it is my dream. I started my life, my career as a student here. I was an ordinary, sumasakay tricycle, nag-gym. Sa Manila, wala akong permanent address kung saan ako natira. Nakatapos ako sa UP Diliman at maniwala kayo, medyo bright ako. Nakatapos ko yung kurso ko in 3 years. At saka magna cum laude pa ako. Mahilig ako managili. Hindi masama na I will dream big of our countrymen, Philip. As a provinciano, I never thought I'd become president of probably two of the biggest institutions in the Philippines. In fact, I was offered to be a member of the cabinet. Walang masama, Philip. Gusto ko yung mga Pilipino maging miyembro ng SSS. Kasi, pag wala kang pension, Philip, when you grow old, mahina na ang tuhod mo, mahina na yung mata mo. Maniwala ka sa akin, iiwanan ka ng mga anak mo. And you will go back to poverty. Talagang maghihirap ka. You don't receive a second. You have no money for medicine, no nothing for food, for telephone, nothing. That is why it's my dream. And there's nothing wrong with that. Let's start somewhere. Let me give you an example. Itong 4 Ps, all you can do is to pass a law or amend the law, Philip, that perhaps if they're being given, say, 2,000 or 5,000 a month, our executives at the SSS, I can require that a certain portion of the amount given to them, say 300 pesos, ibigay na sa SSS so that after 10 years, may pension na sila kahit 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pesos, Philip. And hindi na galing yung pera sa budget, galing na sa SSS. Kasi alam mo, hirap pa rin. Kung kakaltas ka ng 300, malaki din yun. Kaya lang, kailangan isipin mo rin yung future. Hindi pwede lahat parates galing sa budget. Kasi kawawa rin tayo. Kawawa din yung mga iba, di ba?